Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine out of Burnsville, Minnesota. Today we have for sale a 2018 VF115 20-inch motor. It's got 144 hours on it. Compression was right around 200 across the board. Lower unit's been pressure tested. Comes with the prop, control box, yes. New control box, new plugs, new impeller, new oil filter, new fuel filter, new lower unit lube, and new power head oil, which we do drain those when we ship them, so you do have to put oil back in the power head. This motor still has a warranty till September of this year. You can buy an extended warranty for it for another 1, 2, or 3 years. And then we would sell that to you at dealer cost. So you can get a 1 year, more, or 2 year, 3 year, whichever way you want to go with that. We'll fire this motor up, let it run for you. We'll let it warm up for a second. Neutral. Reverse. Back to neutral. Got the tilt trim on the side, plus it'll be in the box also. Great running motor. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales at bmr1.com. Thank you.